Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about a question many of you are curious about. Does the burn-free brick making machine come with installation service? Ready? Let's get started. Remote installation. A. For small machines, we recommend that customers find a local technician with experience for installation. We provide free remote guidance, including operation videos, installation manuals, and technical support to help you complete the setup smoothly. On-site commissioning. B. If needed, we can also send our engineers to your site for installation and commissioning. However, customers will need to cover the labor costs and travel expenses. Professional team. C. For large production lines, we will arrange a professional technical team to carry out on-site system installation and commissioning to ensure smooth production. The related costs are to be borne by the customer. Don't forget to subscribe. In the next episode, we'll talk about whether your local voltage is compatible with our equipment. See you next time.